Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Pianshu Placement Solution. So friends, in today's video, I have one hiring that is from guys DXC Technology. Okay, and guys they have posted today before. Okay, this hiring they have posted today before. Okay, or they have not restrict any batch. Ki only 21, 20 or 19 batch can apply. So any batch can apply. They have restriction one thing, that is basic qualification, bachelor degree and equivalent combination of education and experience, uh, degree in computer science management or information system. So guys, in my opinion, any student can apply in these because they have not restrict any batch. Okay, and they asking some skills that you have already, like C++, Java, right, and communication skill, as we all know. Okay, so go and apply in this as soon as possible. I will share the link in a description. You can go and check out, because guys, this hiring is only posted 2 days ago. So you can easily apply and apply fast, है ना, because guys, maybe if you apply late, then maybe you will not receive any response. Okay, so go and apply as soon as possible. Any doubt, query, guys, let me in comment box. I will try to resolve your query in comment only, or I will try to resolve your query on WhatsApp, Telegram if you have any query. Okay, so before leaving this video, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, I request everyone to subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button, guys. Okay, so take care, bye bye. And if you have any exam like TCS, NQT or Accenture, both exam playlist we have both exam playlist already available on our same YouTube channel, guys. You can go and check out. Okay, first try to complete the playlist, then only you just give your exam. It's very great for you. Okay, so go and check out. I will share both the links in a description, don't worry. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet on next video. Take care, bye bye. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for such kind of hiring, such kind of material, or for any placement guide or placement preparation. Okay, so take care, bye bye, and apply, और सब्सक्राइब एज वेल है ना